If you're aiming for grades 7s, 8s and 9s, then you need a revision timetable that you're actually going to stick to. And the trap that most students fall into is planning a timetable that might look like this. So Monday, maths, English, science, history. Tuesday, more of the same. Wednesday, you've given up entirely because you've just put the subject. A good GCSE revision timetable is not about revising all day, every day. It's about having a realistic plan that tells you what to revise, when to revise, and how to revise in a way that is actually going to improve your grades. So what you need to do for each subject is split topics into 3 groups. So the first group is the confident group. You know this stuff like the back of your hand. So if we're going to do it in terms of chemistry, that might be atomic structure, for example. You've been doing it since year 9. The second group is the OK group, so you might be a bit shaky under pressure with them, but you know most of the core content. So this could be, for chemistry again, exothermic and endothermic reactions, so you know the definitions of them, but you're a bit wobbly on reaction profiles, for example. And the third group is the weak group. These are the really tricky topics, the ones you find really tricky. They're costing you valuable marks, and for chemistry, it might be something like equilibrium. If you're doing higher, it does come up every year, by the way. Next, plan your timetable. So you really do not need anything complicated for this. Start with a weekly revision timetable. This one's a really good example. And it breaks your week into 1 hour slots, which stops you overloading yourself. And you should not be revising all day, every day. Block out the non-negotiables first. So school, homework, football clubs, whatever you're doing. Then do not make this mistake. Do not write revised biology. That's not a task. Each slot needs something specific, like answer 5 exam questions on bonding, or learn the 4 gas tests for GCSE Chemistry Paper 2, or complete and mark a Chemistry Paper 1 past paper. And the most important part is that your timetable should prioritise weak topics, not confident ones. If you already know something well, it needs less time, do not focus on it. Weak topics should get more. That's the only way that your grade is going to improve. You can find the full tutorial on how to make a good GCSE revision timetable linked to this video. Go and check it out.